We are all unique. And this uniqueness doesn't merely extend to our differences in physical attributes, skills, or tastes in music. It also extends to our goals in life, our lifestyle, and our spending and saving habits. Speaking of goals, Sanjeev, he wants to buy that sea-facing villa he always dreamt of. Suraj, however, simply wants to plan a conventional retirement, while Sapna, who lives on the edge, wants to kickstart her own business venture. Now, to achieve these goals, do you think they can all have the same approach to investing? Well, no, they can't. Just as people are unique, so are the mutual funds. Some are riskier, while others offer you better liquidity. Some aim to protect your capital, and some generate a regular income. And that's the best part. You can simply choose the right kind of mutual fund depending on your goals. So, let me take you through the various types. Ready? Number 1, growth funds. These help you grow the money you have invested. Ideal for investors who have surplus money lying idle. But hey, this growth also comes with high risk. And by the way, no pain, no gain. Then we have income funds that invest in a mix of asset classes such as bonds, fixed income, securities, and even stocks. These help you get regular income in the form of monthly or quarterly payouts. Here, growth is limited. Third option, liquid funds. Matlab, you can exit and get your cash in hand quickly. Well suited for the cautious type. Liquid funds are low-risk investment options as they invest in certificates of deposit, treasury bills, commercial papers, etc. that mature fast. And now moving on to number 4, tax-saving funds. There I can see the smile. As I said, tax-saving. And ELSS can not only help you save taxes in accordance with income tax laws, they also offer a moderate growth, and these are very popular among us working class heroes with longer investment horizons. Option 5, aggressive growth funds. These invest in companies that have the potential for rapid growth to get the returns. But this also comes with the maximum dosage of risk. Next is number 6. We have capital protection funds. If you are more inclined to hiding money in your tijori, these funds are ideal. They invest in both equity and debt instruments. Conservative at heart, you won't see capital protection funds dashing through the fast lane. But all the same, bit by bit, they continue to churn out moderate returns. And now moving on, do you like the idea of fixed tenure, low risk and predictable returns? Then let me introduce you to the 7th option, fixed maturity funds. These are relatively safe and predictable. And lastly, we have number 8, pension funds. These are retirement benefit plans like NPS, PPF, PF and annuity plans. Oh, that was quite a rundown. And now you are left with 8 choices. No. There is no right choice here. Sanjeev, Suraj, Sapna may all choose differently. But that's because they know they must take a separate path from this point on, and all leading to their own destinations.
Investments in security markets are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.